In these problems, we're being asked to round some values, some decimals. In this one, we have $3.2638, and they want it rounded to the nearest cent, because you might come out with a calculation like this if you're dividing up some money or something, but we really only have pennies as our smallest, so we have to round it to the nearest cent. Well, the first trick is figuring out where the penny place is, the cent place, and it's right there. It's the hundredths. A hundredth of a dollar is a penny, is a cent. So that's the second place after the decimal point. So this is the place we want to round, and when you're rounding, you look to the next one this way, next one to the right, and ask, is it 5 or above? If it is, let's round up. If it's lower than that, and it is here, you just leave it. So in this case, if we're going to round this to the nearest penny, nearest cent, we leave the 6 a 6, and then we just drop off the rest of the stuff. So $3.26. Let's look at this next one. It says, what is 52.73 rounded to the nearest whole number? Now, a whole number is a number that doesn't have anything after a decimal point. Okay, so we want to get rid of what's after the decimal point. But first, so here's the place we're looking at. That's the lowest place we're going to keep. We want to look just to the right of that, and that's a 7. Now that's a 5 or above. That means we have to raise this one up 1. So from 52, it's going to go to 53, and then we drop the other stuff off. So this is rounded to the nearest whole number. All right, one more. This one says divide $2.70 by 3 and round the quotient to the nearest cent. So we've got to do some division first. You might want to do that on your calculator. I'm just going to do it longhand. I'm going to divide that by 3. So I'd ask, are there any 3's that could fit in 2? No. How about in 27? Yeah, 3 times 9 is 27. So 9 times 3, 27. We subtract and we get 0. So we're done. But then we want to put the decimal point where it was. I'm just going to bring it up from there. So 0.9 is what we get. And 0.9, this is in dollars. But we really think of that as 90 cents. So we put that extra 0 there, and that would be rounded to the nearest cent. We didn't really have to do much rounding there because we came out with that nice even result from the division. So that's a little bit about rounding.